I wanted to go over some directions on our final assignment, which is the program brochure. And this assignment really is a lot of kind of a culminative event at the end of the semester, taking everything that we've looked at throughout the semester on quality programs and covering it in this assignment. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a brochure for your own preschool. And remember the measures of quality, the measures of quality worksheet that should have been a little bit filled out there, right, on each of these ones to give you an example of what each of these should be. So you're going to take that and you're going to use that, if you notice, on each of on your brochure has the curriculum, the guidance, environment, and health and safety, and that's taken directly from your worksheet. You also did a philosophy of your preschool. So what is the philosophy on the preschool that you are creating? You are going to add that onto your brochure, making sure that you identify in each of the areas what it's asking. So what is the role of play? What is the role of the teacher? What is the role of families? The first one is, this is where you get to be creative and make it up. So what is the name of your school? You can pick out your own name. Are you a full day or a half day program? Who are the children that you're serving? What age group? Do you serve meals? What are your ratios? What time do you open and close? All of those different ideas that would go into a preschool. And if you would like to get some ideas, you can obviously look online and see some brochures of other schools. Making sure that when you do your brochure that it is on the computer. I cannot read it. When people do do it by hand, I can't read all of the components of it, and I really need to make sure that I can read all of that. So make sure it's done on the computer. You can be as creative as possible. If you also are doing your brochure, if you see here, I did create a rubric, and so I used this rubric on side by side with your brochure and kind of go through. So of course everybody would want to get an A on this brochure since it is worth a lot of points and it is our culminating event. You're going to show off your knowledge, what you learned in here, and so looking at the exemplary A brochure, making sure that you are including all of that. So make sure that you use this when you are planning your brochure. Make sure you're using the rubric with that. And if you have any questions, shoot me an email and we can figure it out.